Hi, AP Psych students. It's Mrs. Sewell. Remember me? I have missed seeing all of you, so I am so sad that we're not back in class and finishing this course together. Maybe we'll be back. It looks like maybe May now, based on what the president said this evening. So we'll just have to wait and see. But good news is that College Board has changed the test. They've pared it down to 7 units, and we've already covered all of those 7 units. So we are in review mode as far as the AP test is concerned. Bad news is we didn't get to finish abnormal psychology or social psychology, which are some of the most fun units. And so we want to hopefully finish those, and hopefully we'll get back to school and we'll be able to finish those in person, because I think that's the fun part of psychology. So I hate that we've missed that part together at this point. So let's just get into review mode. As you look at my website, on Canvas, you're going to see that it looks really different now. We're going to be working in modules. I know some of you, Michael, I think you were one of them, always said, let's do modules. Why can't we do modules? Well, we're going to do modules. So we're not going to use the agendas. Each week you're going to be working on modules. And so for review, we don't have to learn anything new. We just have to review what we've already learned so that you're ready for the AP exam. We don't know what's going to be on the AP exam yet. It is supposed to come out on April 3rd. We do know it's supposed to be only FRQs, and that it's, of course, open note because you're taking them at home. So that's really all we know. On April 3rd, I'll make another video and share with you what new information we have, and so that we can plan accordingly. So Ms. Mailer and I have been working all week long last week to put together a great review for you, and we'll review vocabulary terms because ultimately FRQs are vocabulary based, and practice after practice of FRQ writing, but they're in short little bursts. So you're going to see as you open module 1, it's going to start with some review videos. Miss Mailer has put together the review videos for module 1, and I typed all of the other things. So we've just kind of been splitting the work that way. This is my very first video. I've never done this before. So, you'll have to bear with me, and I can see how many times I say when I watch it back, but there we go. So she did a lot of the setting up of the modules while I did a lot of the typing of the Socrative and some things like that. And you'll see a switch up. I will do some of the review videos, but whether it's Miss Mailer or I, you're getting the same thing from either one of us. So watch her videos. And then ultimately there is a review guide for you, like a cheat sheet. Take good notes off that. You can download it and put it in your notebook if you want, but you want to look over those notes. And then ultimately for grades, that's what you all care about. You're going to take a vocabulary quiz. You're used to those. Some of them will be vocabulary quizzes we've done before. And then you're going to do practice FRQ. On the practice FRQ, it is for you to practice. That's what practice is. So try and do it without any notes. But if you just do not know the term, and there will always be terms that you just don't know or you're not sure, then look up the term and then try to answer the FRQ. After you answer it, it will show you the correct answers and how it scored. They're actual AP FRQs. And so you'll get a sense of what are they asking and then how did it score. So do that for practice. Please, please, please do not go to Google and Google the answer. That's not helping you learn anything. Do the practice. I'm not going to grade you for right or wrong. You want to get it right. You want to figure it out. Did you try it? Did you put a legit effort into it? And that's what I'm going to grade on that. Then you will take AP questions for a multiple choice test and a FRQ test. That is straight from the AP materials. So those will be your summative assessments. The vocab and the FRQ practice are formative assessments, and they're to help you practice understanding that unit so that you do well on the summatives. Don't forget, you can still do the I-Score 5. We'll figure out a way. You may have to jump into Google Hangouts and show me your phone, or we'll figure out some way, but you can be doing those units. I would recommend you do the unit on I-Score 5 as you review it. Remember, that's optional, but the price has gone down. It's only $2.99 now, so it's worth every penny. So grab that. It's a great review. It will help you with all the concepts that you need. Now, if you need help, I'm available for you from 10 to 12 each morning. I was a little afraid you wouldn't all be up and working on things from 10 to 12. So I'll also be available for you in the afternoon from 1 to 3. So I figured that might sort it out. You can call me. There is a Google Voice number if you look on the screen. I can't remember. Oh, it's actually 407-815-3909. So you can give me a call if you want to just talk to me, and that's fine. I'm happy to do that. We can use Google Hangouts. I'm not exactly sure. I will open it up and I think you can just pop in there, but I will give you some instructions on that. Or you can just email me just like normal. Now, emails I'll watch throughout the day. I will be available to talk to you during office hours, but you can email me if you're working on this at 9 o'clock at night and you have a question. As always, just feel free to email me. Now, if it's after 10, I'm probably in bed, and I'm not getting up as early for this as I am for regular school, but I'm up and about and walking the dogs usually by 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, so I can answer emails in the morning for you. Now, work through each unit on Canvas for review. The first week, you're going to do units 1 and 2. So unit 1 is the science of psychology. So if you remember, it's the history and approaches, and then research methods. So all that good math stuff that we did. And then unit 2 is biology. So the two really big units are the beginning. So be sure and go through each one. Call me, email me, let me help you if you have any questions. That's what I'm here for. And then I think that you'll find it's pretty easy. I don't think it'll take you a huge amount of time. It's going to depend on how much you need to review. And so it's all set up for you in Canvas, and hopefully you will enjoy reviewing as much as possible. And then Wednesday, or is it Wednesday or Thursday, April 3rd, we'll hear from College Board. I think you guys usually get the information before I do, but we'll hear from College Board and we'll figure out exactly how we need to fine tune the plan to get you prepared for the AP exam. Rest assured, you will be prepared for the AP exam. We've already learned all the content. You just need to review it. And I feel very confident that if you were headed for passing the AP exam, you still are headed for passing the AP exam. And if you weren't, here's your chance to fix it. Remember, you can always get that grade boost at the end by passing the AP exam. So that's what we're looking at. Start working through the modules. Again, modules 1 and 2, we'll release module 1. It's already in there. It's ready to go. And then on Wednesday, I'll release module 2. So start with 1, then you can work on 2. Nothing is due until Sunday night by midnight. So you'll have the entire week through Sunday night at midnight to get everything done and turned in for that unit, and then we'll start with the next 2 units on the following week, and we'll adjust as needed, and we may make some adjustments based on what we learned from College Board on the 3rd. So good luck. I miss seeing you guys in class. I have had the best year this year of all years for us to get cut short and sit at home. This is the most distressing one because you guys have been so much fun all year long. So don't hesitate to reach out to me if you need anything. If you just want to chat, I'm sitting here for 4 hours waiting to help you. So use the help. I'm happy to provide it. So good luck with all your online studies, and I will hopefully talk to you soon. Thanks.